An important gesture to know about when using a Mac is how to right mouse click. Now, in order to take a look at how to do this, I'm going to go to my system preferences and then I'm going to go to trackpad. And since an Apple computer really only has what looks like one button, the right mouse click would be called the secondary click. And make sure this box is checked. And right now it's set to function when you click with two fingers. And this video will show you an example of how to do it. There are also a couple of other options. You can also have it set to click in the bottom right corner or click in the bottom left corner. And I'm going to show you another option that they don't really tell you about. If you hold down the control button and then click anywhere, then that same menu will pop up as well. So those are ways to do a right mouse click on a Mac.